Yeah, hi guys, good evening, all of you. Good evening, everyone. Hi guys, good evening, all of you. Uh, is my voice clear? Are you able to see the screen? Network issue in GoTo. That's what I'm asking. That's why I'm asking. I have to take the class from GoTo only, no? That's what I'm asking. Yes, all good, all good. Can you share the link of LMS link, please? On YouTube, it is not now possible. Akhila, if you can come to the GoTo meeting, I can possibly share you that. Because in the YouTube, actually I've opened in a different device, and then again I have to copy paste from there and do everything. So yeah, so today will be a very normal session for you. Fine. Like not that much intensive and all. Fine, because like yeah, sometimes it should be. You can ask questions if you have anything about anything according to your curriculum or according to the internship, what you have not understood or anything. So today open for all. You can ask any questions, and I'm happy to reply to those. Interview related, anything it is related. Let's have a little bit chit chat. Yes, please ask. Those who have question, I know very few people has joined. Maybe it's the time of Pongal or something like that. That's why less people have that's okay, fine. So please ask me anything if you want, any doubt you have, anything related to your academics and related to your future, if you are job seeking and all those things. So I'll help you to reply. Sir, in backend, have you coded from scratch, or can you once again send me actually here? No, heart emoji is coming. Can you send me Anaga again? What is your question? Can you send me again? Yes, I will share you the LMS link. Just a second. Yeah, did you get, Akila? Okay. So in the backend, have you coded from the scratch or sent code in Go to? No, 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 no. Anaga, we have coded from the scratch actually. Everything, every setup, what setup is required for the Node.js, for the Express, everything has been done with the scratch. I've not sent anything. Okay, so a good question came. How should I explain the project in the interview and what type of questions can an interviewer ask? Okay, now there are possible aspects for this. Is what? Suppose you guys are now computer science engineer, fine, computer science engineer. Okay, um, so you have learned C, C++ also. You have learned Java also. You have learned JavaScript also, Node.js, React. Fine. So all the things you have learned. Now there are specific domains in the job field. Fine. Either you can become a Java full stack developer, you can become JavaScript full stack developer, you can become front end developer, you can become you can become a backend developer where you are working on Java, or you can become a Node.js developer, or you can become data analyst, where you work on SQL, Python, and all those things. Fine, correct. Okay. So the point is that it's depend. Fine, it's depend on which job you are applying. Fine, I think who is Samarth Hazard. The first of all, it depends on what job you are applying. So what I would suggest you that please create your 2 3 resumes. One resume for like web development, one resume for full stack development, which includes Java and all, one resume for data analyst. Fine. Now I know many of people will be confused in which area to go, in which like segment to proceed with your uh, what you call employment. Correct. Obviously this confusion is like good confusion. Fine. And all the teenage, all the person who is passing BTech, they have those confusions. So it means, what is the good thing over here? If you have confusion, it means that whatever will be given you to work on, you will work hard, because you have to create your own place. That's why I'm telling. So that's why I'm telling that please create different resume for different profiles. Correct. For full stack development, different. For software development, different. For web development, different. Fine. And according to your skills, add there. Suppose in Java full stack, you have to add Java Spring Boot. Fine. And then you have to add some projects related to Java. Fine. Related to Java. Okay. Now, once you are getting the interview call, first of all, daily apply 20 to 30 jobs. Daily. Daily sit whole day, apply 20 to 30 jobs, either in Naukri or in Insta Hire or in LinkedIn, wherever you want. Apply, start applying. Fine. You apply 200, 300 companies, so 1 2 companies revert you back. Okay. That's the ratio. This kind of ratio it's going on. Fine. So now it will come to the specific domain questions. Okay. So first round is always for the freshers, and for the experience also it's a DSA round, data structures and algorithm. So make sure that you practice daily your data structure and algorithm. Fine. Okay. After that, they will ask you conceptual questions. Not They will not give you prime number to solve, palindrome number to check. Once the DSA round is over and that you have completed, then they will come to the conceptual questions. What is inheritance? What is abstraction? What is OOP? Or they will give you situational based question. Situational based question means they will be asked, suppose your API is not working. At that time, what we should do? Suppose you are requesting something and the API is not working, what we should do? Payment, you are doing the payment got failed. Then where the money will go? Is the money is going back to the merchant or not? So that and this will be based on whatever the project you have made. It will be not asked outside of your resume. Whatever you have mentioned in your resume, that it will be asked about. So if I'm telling, if you are creating your resume and you are using somebody else code, fine, you can use it until and unless you are getting it in the GitHub. But make sure that you know better in that code. Means you should read that code. And now ChatGPT and everything is available. No, you should read each and every line that code what it is telling. Okay, so it will be based on your domain. So I'll be telling you about the domain of web development, what they will ask generally. So first of all, if you see nowadays what they're doing, if the DSA round is not there, if you go for the front end development, they will ask you to create a small application in React. Fine, React, Angular, mean stack, MERN stack, whatever it is. Okay, so once you have done, after that they will ask you conceptual question. What is effect? Sorry, what are the hooks in the React you have learned? How React works? Fine. What is the difference between use effect and use state? What is global state management? What is Redux? What is how the routing we have to do and all those things. If you are able to answer these, congratulations, you are selected for that round. Or after that, you will have an HR round in which she will ask you about how do you like the policies and all. She will tell you, and they will ask, would you like to join CTC and all those things. So that is the process it's going. So if you have not decided like which career to pursue, I would suggest you make 2 3 resumes based on whatever you have. Now you have done project in Java also, you have done project in JavaScript also, you have done project in C++ also. So why not use those projects as a separate resumes? Fine. And see, once you introduce yourself, fine. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to tell about, suppose JavaScript interview will be going on. So you have to tell about JavaScript projects. And plus point, what you have to tell that I have also done Java and C++. This will be your plus point. Similarly, in the Java, when you introduce yourself, you tell these projects I have done in Java, plus I have done these projects in JavaScript and C++ to just to get a deep knowledge of a programming language. Fine. And these will help you to crack any interview. Okay. So guys, important thing is what? Important thing is DSA. Once you do the DSA, data structure and algorithm part, I think most of the interviews you can crack. All that Accenture, Cognizant, Infosys, TCS, and all those things. Okay. Likhita is asking, okay, how to maintain a good GitHub profile. See, GitHub profile, if anybody is visiting your GitHub profile, why you should visit your GitHub profile? Because you have submitted some project and your project is outstanding project. Correct. So they will come to your GitHub profile and they will not like, they will actually come to your code base of whatever the code or whatever the project you have made. Fine. So I will not suggest yet like do daily commits. Fine, do daily commits. I will not suggest that, but create those repositories which the project what you have made for those project, create one repositories and then write good and clean what you call messages or comments. And I would suggest everyone find two things only you do on daily basis. One DSA, one development. Now development, I'm not telling you to develop a product in one day. That is the wrong conception over here. You develop one functionality at a day. Suppose for example, you are creating you are creating a food ordering project. Suppose, very simple. So what you should do, morning do DSA, evening while going to bed, no, take your laptop, sit for half an hour and just do, okay, so I have to create a database of e-commerce. So just pen and paper, write the database, or just in the laptop, or in anywhere, you create the models of the e-commerce. If you don't sit, no, if you don't sit and focus, you're not going to get any answers. That is the lack. That is what we are lacking. Actually, we don't sit and think. We only think. We only think, and then as like after thinking of 2 3 minutes, but okay, ChatGPT, let's ask them. That's the problem. You do whole your work at the night. You sit and do development for 1 hour. Morning when you wake up, do the DSA, or any time whenever you are getting, do these two things anytime. I'm not time bounded. I'm not telling it should be time bounded. Morning only you should do. Then I'm just giving you an example. Then you see, daily, if you create one functionality, Likita, so it will show you on what you call your GitHub. That will maintain a good GitHub profile. Or suppose uh, that you don't have a project to make. Correct. So many YouTube videos are there. Go make your portfolio, no? Go make your portfolio. Make new projects. Go towards AI. Create AI projects. How do we add cookies to this application? How do we do it? How do I do it? So for adding the cookies, nothing over here. We have to send the token into the cookies. Response.cookies. Fine. Response.cookies, you have to send the JWT token. Okay. Over here in the front end, you have to accept that you have to actually take out the token from the cookies and you can use it. And there also you have to give the expiry date and everything, Pragadish. Okay. Something else it came. Fine. Something else it came. You see, response.cookie names, name and value. Fine. Like this only you have to do. Yes, that is very good. Actually, one person is asking, I don't understand his name, the Sad, I guess. Sir, I'm in the fourth year student, so to implement some new way in music app, what I am thinking ki I use authentication plus playlist plus host song in Cloudinary. Is it good? That's what we are doing, actually, the Sad. That's what we are doing. Although authentication and songs are there, okay, searching and favorite songs we have done with the authenticity. You can do this also. Okay, I hope guys you are able to understand what I'm telling you. Please, those who ask the question, can you tell whether you understood or not, or you want more clarity on some answers what I have given? Okay, Pragadish went there also. I'm getting invalid signature error even I kept all the keys correct. Invalid signature error. Cloudinary keys. Check whether .env values are coming inside your controller or not. Or do one thing, use write the key directly inside your controller. Later you keep it outside. Later you make it outside in the env file. What about you, Likita, I guess, Anaga. Anyone else want to ask anything? Did same problem? Fine, fine, fine. Okay, you do one thing, Dasad. You write it in the LMS so that we can have a one-to-one meeting and we can help you to solve it. And let's see what you are doing. But later, fine, not today. Maybe tomorrow. I'll see. Okay. Just write in the LMS. I have of the screenshot of the problem what you are getting. Here, so I cannot give you permission to share the screen. Fine. What else? Open to anything, guys. You can ask me anything. Krishna Kumar Yadav, which background you are? Means your B Tech background. Yes, your B Tech degree, Krishna. B Tech or M Tech, whatever you have done. Yes, Krishna, for your answer only, I'm asking you. Security related course. It means like, like, okay. Tasad, again, can you message me so that it can go up and I can see your message clearly? Okay. So, distraction. Okay. See, distraction, why you are getting a distraction and why you feel that everything is an important. Fine. Because you don't know where to put your foot. Whether you have to put your foot in security one, fine, the security related courses, or whether you have to keep a foot in development related courses. You are not actually sure. That's why you are trying everything and everything seems important to you. What happened? No, somebody, Krishna, to you, someone come and tells, okay, this course is really important, and he will give you some examples with that. Ki, like this bhaiya has taken the course, this Didi has taken the course, and they are now working in Fortune 500 companies. So there you will get distracted. Fine. There you think, oh, then I have to do this course, then I have to do that course. Like this, keep on hurdling, keep on from one ship to another ship, or from one ship to another ship, you keep on hurdling. What I would suggest, choose one thing and go deep inside that one thing. Fine. There is no distraction, and there is nothing called like in this domain we have the good money, in this domain we don't have a money. Every domain has their money. It's 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 depend on how you are working. Fine, a software engineer working in a small company will earn as much as what you call a tester in a good company. So this is not good. Okay, your aim should be to take one, to do one thing. Fine, and get a job. After that, whatever the road you will build on your own, you will get to know what to do. That road you will build on your own. Fine, so focus on one. Don't go like don't go to the public opinion. Fine, keep opinion with very limited people where you can see, okay, the good scope is there, they are doing something good. So keep your opinion, or keep your what you call uh, suggestions to your themselves only. Fine. Actually, Dasad, I'm not able to understand the question. Like, so in the MERN CSRF is possible because in Spring Boot we, acha, okay. I'm sorry, I don't know that much about CSRF right now. So I'm sorry, Dasad, I'm not able to answer this question because I have not got to this what you call problem now. CSRF problem, I have not solved it. Course issue I have solved. CSRF I have not solved. So I cannot answer you this. Maybe I'll read and get back to you. That I can do. Okay, Krishna. Okay, Dasad. Anything else, guys? Last date for submission will be second week, first second week of Feb, or first week of Feb. Sorry, first week of Feb. Now, what we are going to do that we will teach you like how to write in the front end. Then we will give you the static codes. Then we'll tell you how to integrate your front end with the backend and with the what you call the Redux toolkit and everything. So yesterday I told you about the Redux toolkit. Did you understand that thing? How can you not have an LMS access? Just can you give me your email ID, please, Krishna? Let's solve these problems also. Can you give me your email ID? I think classes will be till end of the January. Maybe before that also like we can complete. Fine. But for you, like till the end of the January, 2 more weeks. Maximum. Maximum. What do we need to submit? This project, what we are doing it. The project what we are doing now, that project only you need to submit. You can add your own tadaka on that. If no, then it's okay. Whatever I teach you, just if you are able to do that also, it's more than enough. Krishna, do you have LMS access? Do you have LMS link? It's okay. We will give you the extension also. Don't worry. Fine. If you do development with me, I don't think so you need extension. There will be only submission. After Jan, after the end of the Jan, there will be only submission, no teaching. The project what we are learning now, that project we have to, you have to submit. Krishna Kumar, please go, and I have given you the link of LMS. Please go to the LMS and forget password is there option. Click on that, and you have, I think, Ladla Roy at the rate 164 at the rate gmail dot that you can use for accessing LMS. Anything else, guys? Education world number one. You can do this alone, or if you want to do, you can do it in the group of three. Fine, but every individual has to submit the code and the video link separately. If you are doing in the group, and the group of three only you have to do, and the presentation like submission on the submission time, everybody has to submit it separately. Although in your presentation name, your teammates name will be written, but all of three you have to record your own different videos and then you have to submit it. It's okay, education world number one. Today we have just a normal session where I am helping to get the answers of whatever the confusion you guys have. Okay. So if you have asked, you can also leave if you want. No point. JavaScript you can use for backend and front end both. JavaScript you can use, Divya. Yes, there is a lecture tomorrow. Thursday it is a holiday. Thursday it is a holiday. Anything else you want to ask, guys? Okay, if there is nothing, then thank you for joining, guys. You can leave the session now. Sir, I made two projects on shop management and a hotel travel management. I front end I use EGAS templates, not React, but with the help of this program, I get to know about some course also which can be used. Very good, Atharva. Nice it is. Then you have to link the Python code with React or with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So that you will be towards the Python web development. Okay, if you want, I can again open the quiz too, but yeah, it is not good. I am giving you 1 week of time, and if since you are so busy that you are not able to do in 1 week, then how you will give the interview if they ask? I'll open again the quiz too, but make sure that you do it. Fine. Next Monday is what is the date? Next Monday. So I have again increased the timeline for the quiz too. Fine. You can give that. Starting from 8:30 in the today. So those who have not attempted the quiz too, please go and attempt it. Okay, guys. So thank you for joining. Okay, I know this was not the session you were expecting, but sometimes it should be happen like this so that uh, you would feel confidence. You would get to know what is if, what others are doing or what every if it can be done in order to get the job. Fine. Not in the morning, 8:30 evening today. Now it will start in 8:30 and till next Monday uh, night before the what you call this internship starts. Up to that other time slot has been given. Quiz one also you want access. Okay, quiz one I will open only for the night. Okay, Jessica. Only for today, the quiz one is there. Only for today. After 12 o'clock, it will stop. Thank you guys for joining. Okay.